I wanted to create a Python video and I didn't know which subject to talk about. So I went to the YouTube studio, clicked on inspiration tab, and it suggested CustomTkinter button. So I clicked on it. I even clicked on create outline. So it suggested some titles and an outline. So the first one, how to create a button in Tkinter. Create a button with Tkinter library, add text to a button, and add an event handler to a button. So in order to create the code, instead of writing the code, I just opened Obsidian and then I asked my Gemini plugin. So I clicked on Gemini Assistant New Chat and I asked it to create a Python code that generates a button using the CustomTkinter library. It generated the code, but the click on the button does nothing. So I asked it to generate or to add to the code the on click of a button must show a message box. So I added this specification, so it generated this new code. So I created a new folder called button and I opened VS Code in that folder and I just copied past the code. When I ran the code, it didn't work. Why? Because if you can check, the on click of the button uses the CTK message box class that actually doesn't exist in the CustomTkinter library. So I wanted to be sure, so I wanted to do the documentation of the CustomTkinter library and in fact doesn't exist. So I wanted to search for a library that is compatible with CustomTkinter. So I looked on GitHub and I found this library, CTK message box. I looked directly into the example. So to code the message box, first I had to import it from the CTK message box library, but of course I had to install it first. Pip install CTK message box. So after installing the library, importing the CTK message box, I went to the different calls because there are different examples for different type of message boxes, and I found this that shows a message box with check mark. I just copied it and pasted it in the click of the button here in the button callback function, that is the command property of the button that it will handle the callback or the on click of the button. So I just passed it and I run the code and it works. I have a CustomTkinter button and when I click on the button it shows a CTK message box. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.